Hey, Crystal's got the lead and she's taking us to the Bow Channel Fishing Bridge, which is right by the Southernmost KOA. We're leaving Cudjoe Key and we're going to Sugarloaf Key. This is definitely a better fishing bridge if you know where to fish. And I know where to fish because I see people pulling fish in here all the time. If I was gonna go camping, I'd camp at this KOA right here. They've only been working on it for, well, since Irma. Irma destroyed it and they got it open this year. The Sugarloaf Key, Key West KOA holiday. You ready for a holiday?
Holiday.
Want to go rent a pontoon boat? Me neither. Okay, we'll be back with the next update in a momento.